Let's do this question using an alternative method. In this method, we will be using algebra. So initially, there were 11 chairs in each row. After 6 chairs were added and all the chairs were rearranged, there were 8 chairs in each row and there were an additional number of 6 rows. Now, let's assume that the total number of rows when there were 11 chairs in each row as x. After the chairs were added and the chairs were rearranged, we will have x plus 6 rows because there were an additional of 6 chairs. So, let's calculate the total number of chairs there were in the beginning. It will be x times 11 because there were 11 chairs in each row, and this will be 11x. The total number of chairs after chairs were added and the chairs were rearranged would be x plus 6, which is the total number of rows now, times 8, which is the total number of chairs in each row now. This will be 8x plus 48. We know that the number of chairs before plus 6 chairs is equal to the number of chairs after. So the number of chairs before is 11x plus 6 chairs is equal to the number of chairs after, which is 8x plus 48. Let's solve this equation and find the value of x. 11x minus 8 is equal to 48 minus 6. 3x is equal to 42. X is equal to 42 divided by 3, which gives us 14. And this is the number of rows that there were at first. Now let's find how many chairs there were in the event. The total number of chairs before the event would be 14 times 11, which gives us 154. For the event, 6 chairs were added, so it will be 154 plus 6, which gives us 160 chairs, and that will be our answer. To check this question, we know that the total number of chairs is 160. And the total number of rows with 8 chairs each would be 160 divided by 8, which gives us 20. So the number of additional rows that were there after adding the chairs and rearranging them would be 20 minus 14, which gives us 6. And this is mentioned in the question that there were 6 more rows. So our answer is correct.